Good evening everyone, and welcome to Expat Living in the Philippines. Well, this view here, just sitting here myself having a quiet beer, waiting for my dinner to cook, which is, well, when I say cook, it's leftover pork bone and curry from last night, so which was very nice. And for those of you who are connoisseurs of leftovers, they always taste better the second day. So while I'm watching here and sitting down, and the night is so still and peaceful, and just observing Anzac here, one of the dogs. Yeah, he's been here sitting for a while now. Well, he's just moved his head, but his head has been nuzzled or stuck in my slipper for about an hour and a half. The things some dogs will do, you know, but the thought crossed my mind, but what we humans think of what is not very nice things to do, and what dogs think that they are very nice to do, wow, what a world of difference, isn't it? So here he is, and there's up there, wait, I just get that, oh no, it's the jugs in the way, but the slow cooker is doing and warming my dinner. That's all the rubbish under my sink, and so yeah, I just thought that I would like to share Anzac, flat out, peaceful, beautiful, loving dog, but always very alert, as you can see. Thanks for watching, guys. Just an interlude, that's all. So catch you next time, eh? Thanks for watching.